For one, never know what to do to detail analysis. Sorry, on BTCUSD. Yeah, details with commences on the BTCUSD. Such one only temper. And as usual, still breaking sign on souls. And then that's where the weekly zones. Next, so these identify any potential trend lines. So we can draw a trend line from here, like this. But this trend line has already correlated, and there is no longer relevant. I actually draw a trend line like this. So this being our trend line. That makes this point our trend origin. Because I'm being in too much apart. So that's the daily time frame first. Because we usually identify our trend origin with daily time frame. Although our trend origin is still residing in the same place, I will identify it on the daily time. So not our own daily time frame. Let's identify our daily zones. So we have a zone here. So pretty. So how many is that? And then I believe the daily zone here. But it's very close to the weekly zone start. And I went and tried to see our daily zone. We should try and draw any potential trend line. Our weekly trend line is already standing at our major. So then this would be our trend line. So then this is now our market structure. I have an impulsive, correctional, impulsive, correctional, impulsive, correctional, impulsive, followed by correctional. So if price continues to go according to the market structure, if price continues to obey market structure, we should be expecting new impulse. So let's identify. What you call this? She's highest price. price gets before switching to a impulsive deficit. So now, within these 3 points from here, 1 was switching, or 2, and 3. We'll go down to the forward side for see if there are any charts put off. In these 3 blue boxes, and if there are any common charts, come and look for them here in the box. So then this first blue box, what do I need to say? An M pattern. Switching to night chart, you can see an M pattern. Coming to the second blue box, what do we see? We see another M pattern. In fact, we don't just have an M pattern. I'm very again. Because we don't just have an M pattern, we have an M pattern like this. And price gives a slight retracement. Coming down. And then we have the exact same thing here. Price forms an M pattern like this. And then gives a retracement. The retracement is up to the bottom of the M pattern. And then continues down. Let's see if the same thing is true for our 30 box. The same thing is true. Let's look at our line charts. Although the M pattern is not very neat, it's still a valid M pattern. Not only that, price comes down, it retraces back to the up to the middle point of the M pattern before coming back down again. So that means that if we're going to enter a trade on this pair, we're waiting to see an M pattern. And so far, no M pattern have appeared here. That means that we've essentially already seen our entry. Because it's waiting for the see an M pattern. That is a retracement onto this point. Really, should not to identify it. I see that price retraces. Price bounce up this red line to form an M pattern and then retreat back to this red line. So that means that at the current price, we should be able to directly enter a sell position here with our risk around here and our target. Let's go down to see what's it. Yes. Our target can be even higher than this, but for the sake of safety, you can leave it where it is. So that's it for total ones on BTCUSD.